In the RBSM video project 3 Minutes of Science, we shall talk about one of the most controversial topics both in arts and IELTS essay. What could be labeled as a masterpiece? We have combined different expert views and added some thoughts of our own. So,
the term masterpiece originated in the Middle Ages, when apprentice artisans had to prove their skills by submitting exemplary work for approval by the guild that governed their trade, carving, metalwork, and enameling. If the piece demonstrated mastery, the apprentice would be promoted to master and authorized to train others.
The superlative craftsmanship, extraordinary design, purity of form, all this influenced on other artists, and these qualities bubbled into the discussion. It became evident, if not possible, to articulate the definition of masterpiece, one Louvre director said.
Recently, the term masterpiece has its own troublesome age. Some modern scholars dismiss the term as an elitist designation used to exclude whole categories of art, or lend an air of mystification to critical judgments, and general public embraces certain work as masterpiece based mostly on their celebrity and fame.
Thus, it is possible to infer that today people's taste is controlled if not ruled by media. It's quite common to accept some ordinary piece of craft as a highly valued art example if television, newspapers and magazines advertise and debate about it.
But to recap, a masterpiece is something that states test of the time and is viewed as a masterpiece from generation to generation.
I'm not into art and could not care less about masterpiece definition dilemma. Let me talk about something useful and curious. Imagine that you have a stick, then you have a great Egyptian pyramid, and of course you have sand. So, how can you measure the height of the pyramid?
Let me help you, Gleb. Diogenes wrote that Thales of Miletus succeeded in measuring the height of the pyramid by measuring the length of the shadow of this pyramid. At the moment, then, stick's shadow equaled its own height.
So, immediately waited for such moment to come and then measured the shadow of the pyramid along the ground with the stick of known length, like this. Easy.
That's all for today. Wish you the greatest day, filled with a cheerful array.
Такой пожал руку, такой поржал, такой пошел, а меня оставил там сниматься.